My name's Karen, and I own the Spring Street Market and Cafe, and I do all of the baking here. So today, we're gonna make banana chocolate chip muffins. So we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. We're gonna use 1 bowl, which is amazing, and we're gonna take 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup of a neutral oil, which I would use canola oil or vegetable oil, 1 egg, and we're going to give that a good stir. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to use 2 cups of flour, and when you're scooping your flour, make sure you always use another scoop into your cup. If you take this cup and just put it in there, you're going to end up with too much flour, and you're going to end up with some dry baked goods, which you do not ever want. So there's 1 cup and 2 cups. Okay, 1/2 of a cup of sugar. Plain old white sugar is great. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It might seem like a lot, but it's perfect for this. So 1 tablespoon of that. 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Now, give that a good stir. You want it to be mixed, but you don't want it to be overbeaten. Again, your goal is to not have dry baked goods. So you want to have it mixed where you don't see any more dry flour, but that is it. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 mashed bananas that you can mash either with a fork or a masher if you happen to have one. 2 mashed bananas and 1 heavy cup of chocolate chips. I love chocolate, so I go a little heavy. A heavy cup is a little bit more than a cup. You can see it pumped over. Pop that right in there. And then give this a stir. Again, just till it's mixed, where you can see everything is distributed good. Then, you're gonna have 2 muffin tins with muffin papers, and a scoop if you have it. If not, you can use a big tablespoon, and then you give each one about 3/4 of a cup full, or 3/4 of the way full, like so. You don't want to go too full or they will overflow and bake all around on your muffin tin. You are going to love these muffins. They're nice and moist. All right, 2 more. Now, you're going to take your chocolate chips and give each one a little sprinkle. Depending on how much you like, you can go a little more, you can go a little less. Some people tend to be more exact. I like it to be rustic. All right, last but not least, if you happen to have raw sugar, that's fantastic. If not, you can use white sugar. Just give each one a little sprinkle on the top. That's going to give it a little crusty top with a nice soft center. Perfect. Just a little sprinkle. And you are all set. Then you're going to take your little muffins, pop them in your oven, 350 degrees for 22 minutes. That. Put your timer on. Do not forget your timer. When they come out, voila, banana chocolate chip muffins. They should pop out easily. Take it right out of your little muffin paper. There you go. Thanks guys, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.